Greetings and welcome to the video introduction to Chemistry 222, and I'm really glad to have you here. Chemistry 222 is a great class, but there's a lot of pieces involved, so I'm hoping that this video will help to allay some of your fears. And the most important thing I want you to know more than anything else is that if you have questions, you email me like right now, okay? Because I am here to answer your questions. My email at Mount Hood is mike.russell@mhcc.edu, and there are no dumb questions in my class. My answers sometimes might be a little strange, but I will do my best to answer you. I encourage your questions, and you can reach out to me anytime. So first of all, about Chemistry 222. Officially in the catalog now, Chemistry 222 is split into Chemistry 222Z, the lecture part, and Chemistry 228Z, the laboratory part. I will collectively refer to both classes as Chemistry 222. It makes it easier for me to talk about, and I don't have to keep interrupting with Z's and stuff like that. Also, you'll have a -L1, -L2, something like that. That'll be your lab section. I won't usually refer to those either, but if you have questions as to what lab section you're in or anything like that, let me know. The website for this class, which is probably where you're checking this out, is mhchem.org/222, and I encourage you to check it out and get familiar with the information that's present. You can get started on the information that's listed there. So for example, I encourage you to check out the Introduce Yourself assignment. It's a great way for me to learn more about you, and you can also learn some of the deadlines about the class. I do encourage you to purchase the Chemistry 222 Companion as soon as possible. The Chemistry 222 Companion has everything you should need printed and in one format, so you won't have to print things later. It'll have the problem sets, the labs, it'll have lecture notes if you come to lecture, it'll have sample quizzes and exams, study guides, all kinds of things. If you don't purchase the Companion, you can still use the online version, but you will need to print some materials. You'll have to, at the very least, print the problem sets and the labs, and possibly more after that. The textbook for this class is referred to as an OER textbook. That's Open Education Resource Textbook, and it's free to download, so you shouldn't have to pay anything for the textbook. I encourage you to download it, look at it on your computer, your iPhone, and stuff like that. We will be doing a class presentation in Chemistry 222, which is similar to what we did in Chemistry 221 if you took it with me. In Chemistry 222, the topic will be compounds, and you should reserve a compound with me as soon as you can. If you send me several choices, I will pick the first one available and email you back, and you can get started on that, no problem. There's information on the class presentations on the website as well. Okay, I'm looking forward to a great term with you, and remember, if you have questions on anything, you let me know. I'm totally here for you. All right, to a great quarter, and have a great day.